One of the main claims in the lawsuits is that certain hair relaxers contain harmful chemicals. These chemicals may lead to serious health issues, including cancer. As a result, many users are questioning the safety of these products they once trusted. The lawsuits have been filed by individuals who believe they were misled about the safety of hair relaxers. They argue that manufacturers failed to provide adequate warnings about the risks. This has sparked a larger conversation about consumer rights and product safety. In response to the growing concerns, some companies have begun reformulating their products. They aim to eliminate harmful ingredients and promote safer alternatives. This shift reflects a changing market where consumer health is becoming a priority. Legal experts suggest that the outcome of these lawsuits could set important precedents. If the plaintiffs succeed, it may lead to stricter regulations on hair care products. This could ultimately benefit consumers by ensuring safer options are available. Additionally, the lawsuits have prompted discussions about the beauty industry's responsibility. Many are calling for greater transparency regarding ingredient safety. This could encourage brands to prioritize health over profit. As the legal battles continue, affected individuals are sharing their stories. Their experiences highlight the need for awareness and education about product safety. This grassroots movement may influence future consumer choices and industry practices.